Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button. If you are new, make sure you like this video, make sure you share, comment, also follow the telegram so you will not miss out on any updates. I'll put the link to the telegram. So once again, click on the bell notification once you subscribe. So subscribe and click on the bell notification so you will get an instant update anytime we drop an update. So let's see what we'll be expecting for the day on our gold. Now take a look at this our food trend. You can see that our overall trend on gold is literally on an uptrend move, right? We are having a series of higher high and higher low. So this is a very strong buy to the upside. Now take a look at this movement here, which is this is our current trend. We all know that we have the main trend, which is the main trend, the overall trend, which is our bigger picture, and we have the current trend, which is what market is doing as of now. So this is our main trend. We are in an uptrend, and our current trend, we are also in an uptrend. So since we are in an uptrend in our current trend, we would want to be following our current trend since we want to see what market will be doing for the next day. So let's start with our movement. This is our high, and here comes our higher low. This is also our higher high. Here comes higher low. This is also the higher high. Here comes the higher low. This here is also our higher high, and guess what market did? Market gave us higher low. We all know what next should you be expecting. Of course, in an uptrend, you should be expecting another higher high. So market should push out, it breaks out and take out this previous high, thereby forming a new higher high. So with that movement, we should be able to grab more than 500 pips on gold. So if possibly from here, market push up and it takes out this previous high, that would be about 600 pips plus, you can see. So I think this would be perfect for swing traders, traders that would love to work their trade for like 3, 4, 5 days. It would be perfect for them to actually hop in on the buy till market form and give us a new high. So basically with this movement, there's a potential 600 pips to be made. Now for day traders, you might want to go to your 1 hour time frame. Hopefully, market drops one more time before it start pushing up. There's possibility it will do that. Reason is that when you take a look at this your 1 hour time frame, it is trending downward. Also have it in mind that this is just a minor trend, right? Have it in mind that it is this trend that is trending downward is just a minor trend, because if you have to zoom it out, you can see that this is the current trend here. The current trend is trending upward. It is still an upside movement. So right now, it is just accumulating. A lot of traders will think it will continue to go down, which might, but be very careful because very soon it will push up. So if in case market drops and give us some more low, there's huge possibility that it will push up and start going up and to form a new high. If it does not do that, if it does not drop, it will most likely continue to push up till it eventually take out this high. So this is one of the reasons why I says for swing traders it will be good for the buy. For day traders, you would want to see your buy setup first. Get your buy setup first, then you can go ahead and take the buy. So more updates will be covered for you guys. Just subscribe in order for you not to miss out on any updates.